Alright, so our first shot here is going to be a 223, which is your 5.56 or whatever from your AR-15 round. Shooting milk jug. Show just how much damage that does or does not do. And just to show, it is not going to be anywhere near in focus. There we go. Come on back out, camera. This is the rifle I just shot it from. It's not an AR-15, but it's the same thing. This is in fact a 223. Same thing. I'm just going to keep the camera going. So no cuts, no nothing here. We are going to come back in. And here we're going to have a 12 gauge shotgun with a 3-inch number 8 shot, which is fairly typical for what someone would be using to shoot sporting stuff with, I guess. We're going to get right in on that jug. I'm going to go up and put this round into it. Yep. Might have been a little bit of a difference there. I'll zoom this out and we're just going to take the camera up there and we'll look at it.
Big difference.
So first we'll look at our 223. I got a little bit off center on that one, but you get the idea. It's going to do the same thing, hitting at center or not. Just going to tear it a little bit. It's going to be a little hole in. It's basically a little hole out. It tore it. 223 is going too fast. It's going to punch a hole straight through. Shotgun. Pellet slowed down a bit because I shot it at range. You can see inside there is the little shot. So this is just a bird shot. This isn't even like a buckshot that someone would be using if they were wanting to hurt people. You can see even that little bird shot just shredded the jug pretty well. So anybody that says that a shotgun is a less lethal option doesn't know a fucking thing about guns. Shotguns are the preferred weapon for home defense for a reason, because they stop people now. Military uses the 223 because it shoots farther and more accurately, but in a situation where you have a shooting in a public place, it's going to be short range, unless you have a guy like in Vegas, but that's not what we're talking about. People are talking about the shotgun being a less lethal option in a school shooting type situation, which is just wrong. And we got this little buddy climbing on there. You know, yeah, I think that's fairly well proof enough, the difference.